what to do for my craft or what with this bubble wrap. Oh, hey guys, welcome back to my channel with Life with Silly Piper. You just gave me a great idea. I can make a skirt out of bubble wrap. Well, pause the video after I tell you what to use. All you need is obviously some bubble wrap. You're gonna need some pipe cleaners. You can get 4 or more. And you are gonna need scissors and any kinds of stickers. Pop-up stickers, stylish stickers, or even thousands and 2,000 stickers. You can use whatever you want. But to start off, all you need so far is a bubble wrap. Okay, pause the video if you need to get your stuff. First, we're gonna get 1 pipe cleaner and another pipe cleaner. You're gonna wrap them, but this one might be like a little higher than this one. You're gonna wrap them around to make them extra strong on the ends. Then what you're gonna do is you're going to measure what size you want it to be, how high, how low. Either way, I'm gonna do it like this. But what you're gonna do next is you're going to poke a hole with either side of the pipe cleaner. It can be this one, it can be this one, but I would recommend using the higher pipe cleaner. And you're gonna finish wrapping the smaller one around. And then you're gonna poke the hole. Try not to pop as many bubbles, but I do it a lot because it is really satisfying. So you're going to pull this through and you're going to twist it and like fold it a little bit. So then it holds on the side. So you're gonna fold it up and twist it a little bit. And there you got one part. Pause the video if you need to get a few more pipe cleaners. But then it doesn't have to be the same exact color, but I like using the same colors. You're gonna use doing the same process. Make one of the pipe cleaners a little higher than the other. And you're gonna twist it. And if you can't do the process, have an adult help you. So what you're gonna do again is you're gonna twist it. If you need to redo all the steps, if you don't know what you're doing, you can resume all the way back to the beginning and try out whatever you need, and you can go back to what supplies you need or back to the other steps. Then you're gonna do the same thing. Try not to pop the bubbles, but you can if you need to, like if it's in the way. You are going to poke the hole through. Pull it through, not too much, like just about this much. Then you're gonna fold it up, twist it, and then after you're done with that process, measure if you need any more pipe cleaners. Oh look, I don't need any more pipe cleaners. Then if you need help, have your parent help you tie it in the back. And and then you'll tie it very, very nicely, not too hard, and don't tie it into a knot or else you'll get stuck in it. And this is how you make an awesome DIY skirt. Do it yourself. And then you also, if you really want to, you can add some beautiful stickers. And I'm going to put, I'll put these shoes on this one. And I'm not going to go through the whole process, but if you want to zoom till the end, you don't have to watch me do all of this, but I'm going to put stickers over a few of them, and you can zoom to the end if you want to see how it looks like with all the stickers on it. So if you need the supplies, go back and pause the video from the beginning and see all the steps again. If you really need to, you can go get more supplies or more stickers. So pause the video if you need more stickers or supplies. I don't know. I'm just grabbing random stickers. I have this sticker. Let's get a puppy one. Or maybe this one or this one. I don't know. It came off on my hands. You're gonna grab. You don't need to use stickers. So I would exit this video if you aren't gonna put very many stickers, because you don't want to watch me do the whole process. So remember, if you need help, ask a parent or someone older than you for help. So if you don't have like smaller stickers like this, for example, this one's small, but I couldn't put the good vibes one. I could, but it's a little too big. But I could put as many stickers as you possibly want. You can even cover the whole thing with stickers. It doesn't matter how or what and why you do it, but this is why you go to Life with Silly Piper. This is the best YouTube channel. This is like, you need to come here every day. You can watch the same videos over and over. Like, you don't need to watch every new video. You can watch a video 50 times. Besides, I've watched a movie 8 times. So make sure you watch this video more than once if you want to show your brothers and sisters. So I think I'm going to finish this later. But subscribe to my channel, give a big thumbs up, and subscribe to Life with Silly Piper. Bye, everybody.